Laborers of Food Corporation of India protest exploitation by Mathai Enterprises. Both police and laborers sustain injuries in their scuffles. An Institution of Engineers India Manipur Center begins today All India Seminar on Combating Climate Change and Integrated Action Plan at Nelit, Akampad. Hello and welcome to Back News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. Laborers of Food Corporation of India carried out a protest demonstration against exploitation of FCI laborers by Mathai Enterprises at Kashampat Laimajam Laikai Community Hall today. Manipur Police Personnel Unloading Workers Federation Hijam Kabita, who was among the agitators. Speaking to the media as she was being arrested, Kabita strongly condemned the proprietor of Mathai Enterprises, Prem Chand, for terminating and hiring new laborers at whims. She further condemned that the authorities concerned have failed to look into the matter despite their repeated pleas.
Contractor Prem Chand Aloy Tan Thoraga Anova Pusalakpagi, Koina Yaning de Hibagi Koisida Dana Pam Beneva, Santi Oina Pambaneva, others are policemen Amzelak Paneva, Disiki Ayaba Yautana Pambaya Rosineva, Ade de Akoizu, Disiki Ayaba Yautana Pambaya Roeka, Maito Sige Kosigana, Canada lighting. I see the act of Moina Nupi police took out than Nupa police Catalaga, Latita Stavuneva. Latin I don't be a quite police in a Makutari, Santi Lena Pamiba Nupasing the Butangalaga Latita Stawi. Aduga housing yango ay chalwana haram badagi policing na ay ching tho ije yango press mamang da wang haning da bagi da moy na khoi ching baje yengbiyo press mamang da asem mangan thogra ni ba khatana ay bu ching biri je yengbiyo mayam sine khoi gi ai sine khoi gi lo.
Today, All India Seminar on Combating Climate Change and Integrated Action Plan began today at the auditorium of National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Nelit in Akampad. Institution of Engineers India Manipur State Center organized the event under the aegis of Interdisciplinary Coordination Committee, IEI Headquarter, Kolkata. Speaking at the event, Chairman of Institution of Engineers India Manipur State Center and Shyam Sundar called upon engineers to take active roles to tackle the problems of climate change in the state. He urged engineers not to remain silent in the wake of global emergency like scorching heat, scanty rainfall, changes in topographical structures of water bodies, less agricultural production brought on by climate change. And Shyam Sundar also stressed on the negative consequences of deforestation and climate, the negative impact of poppy and marijuana cultivation on soil fertility in the hilly areas, and on the deteriorating condition of the Loktak Lake. He also urged the people to use solar renewable energy. Chief Engineer of PWD Manipur, KH Temba, former PWD Chief Engineers TH Joykumar, M. Lokendra, Controller of Technical Education Manipur, M. Ibomcha, many engineers and experts took part in the program.
Agriculture the engineer yaurkani, education the engineer yaurkani, medical sciences engineer yaudaba yaro. Aduna di punabaga sista engineers singi responsibility se asungmati wang na leyeba darkar we aikoina Hana tawada thaba adu tawrakanda madugi user oiba adudi mi makhan makhan gi user scientist na su oibe ya doctors in oibe ya farmers in oibe ya amada any body oibe ya khre I khoi si always one step ahead haibagi phafam sida I khoi yam sauk thok chaningai ni madugi hairiba mayam sibu punchalaga adudi combating climate change haibase masida su I khoi na mangjin thana satpa mayam da puthokpa mase yam darkar oigine na I khoi na khanjadina puthok chabani.
Popular Front of India in a press release has observed that the passage of the Citizenship Amendment Bill has turned the country into a fanatic anti-Muslim land. It condemned the turning of the bill into an act by stating that it is a significant step in downgrading the democratic and secular country into an authoritarian and racist nation by singling out Muslims as second-class citizens or even non-citizens without any civil rights. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on rally and awareness on cleanliness and plastic pollution carried out at Thongchu Part 1 and Part 2. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Afternoon News. Thongju Gram Panchayat carried out a mass rally and held an awareness program on the theme Cleanliness and Plastic Pollution today. The awareness program, sponsored by Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, was held at Seva Club Community Hall in Thongju, Part 2, under the aegis of the Manipur Pollution Control Board. The rally, spreading awareness on cleanliness and plastic pollution, kicked off from the community hall and passed through Thongju Part 1 and Part 2. Participants collected plastic waste found littered on their way. Member of Bashikong Zilla Parishad, Jasawanta Chirome, Block Mission Manager of Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, the Zamlunmang Zhou, and scientists of Manipur Pollution Control Board, CKH Tomba, took part in the event.
Hojik koigi plastic pollution dagi tholaiba adagi motpa dai tholaiba leina tina koigi yui bezati asida mangali bajing asi khardoi so koi kanminabam toi koi gyan tamidabam toi aduna masigi phatta baje koi khangminnaraga aduga plastic si yaiga koi minimum use tawna ba yam pikthana use tawna ba to koi madugi wakhalon da koi sinjabani poching che
ngasi khongoliba plastic sing ase koina yarigai recycle toba reuse toba yaba potuna reuse oni adugi lemobududi ekoi road construction da sinaragani Manipur masung Thongju kendragi mimgundimakta leiba plastic se akoi sinade yadaba si yarigai handana sinaraga ate sinadaba yadaba posing do sinar matungdadi ekoina hariba plastic ase handana bani haiduna plastic se mai thadok pase to biganu plastic ase melting point yamna nemba amasung hell hazard oiba plastic se mai thar matungda ekoina cancer haina yam sathi leina ase tholi masina ekoina dioxin koba cancer yamna thon lein hariba chemical ase thadore.
All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union, in a press release, has strongly condemned the burning of one Tata truck bearing registration number AS11CC3327 at the adjoining areas of Awangkhun and Rangkhon along Imphal Ziri Road around 6 p.m. yesterday. The union has appealed not to repeat such misconduct again. And now the sports news. Goa FC will lock horns with ATK in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Goa's Fatorda Stadium tonight at 7:30. In yesterday's league match played at Kerala's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Kerala Blasters and Jamshedpur FC ended in 2-2 draw. For Kerala Blasters, Rafael Messi Bowley scored 2 goals at the 75th and 87th minute, and for Jamshedpur FC, PT and CK Vinay netted 1 goal each at the 38th and 71st minute of the match. East Bengal will play against Rao FC in a match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Kolkata's Kalyani Stadium today at 5 p.m. Churchill Brothers with 6 points is at the top of the table's tally, while East Bengal with 5 points is in a 3rd position. Annual Sports Day of Assam Rifles Public School ARPS Mantupukri, held on the theme Fit Body, Fit Mind since December 12 concluded today. Speakers had an even stress on the importance of sports in the child's life. ARRWA Regional President Mrs. Rachana, Colonel Prashik Dahiya, Commandant of 15 Assam Rifles, principals, staffs and students of ARPS attended the valedictory event. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Labourers of Food Corporation of India protest exploitation by Mathai Enterprises. Both police and labourers sustain injuries in their stomachs. An Institution of Engineers India Manipur Centre begins 2-day All India seminar on combating climate change and integrated action plan at Nalit Akampa.